What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. I'm excited for all of you to see this next video. First of all, I just want to say thank you to all my supporters out there that have stuck through me with the F30 build and now this F32 build, my 440i Grand Coupe. Look guys, I'm here to give you content and give you value. I have a whole bunch of stuff for the F30, which you can find up here or up here, one of these links up here. And I also have new content for those of you that want to build a 4 Series. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and let's get to the strut bar install. All right guys, so what we're gonna do here, camera there, it's going to be using a torque wrench with a 13mm bolt. There's 3 here, 3 there. We're going to unbolt them. It's pretty simple to do. Let me give you a closer view with this camera. So yeah, see here, there are 3 bolts. I'm going to focus up. 1, 2, 3 right there, and 1, 2, 3 right there. We're going to be using this torque wrench with a 13mm just to unbolt this. So let's get to it. It's an easy process overall, guys. So let's get to unbolting. All right, so we managed to get one side done. For the most part, these bolts are not that tight. You want to make sure that the car is just flat on the ground, right? Because essentially this controls, I believe it's the shock, the suspension on this side. So you don't want this to move, right? So now that we got this done, what I'm going to do is just bolt in these first. I think I have it backwards. So actually, I have it upside down. There we go. All right, so I'm going to bolt this one in first. And yeah, just go at it. Now what I like to do is just kind of like hand tighten it first. That way I could adjust it once down's adjusted, because you still have to bolt on. Is just kind of like hand tighten them first, because you still have to bolt on, you still have to tighten these right here, right? There's some right there, there's some right here. You still have to tighten this up. That way the whole thing just gets kind of stiffened together. Guys, just look at this clearance so far. I mean, gosh, it's sitting so close to this cover. It's great. So let's finish. Let's get the other side, and I'll show you the final thing. Okay, so we went ahead and put in all the screws. Just hand tighten them, you know what I'm saying? And that's all we have to do. So now what I'm going to do is tighten them up, right, and get these super tight. I believe you have to do it at a 30 Newton meter, however you say that. So luckily my wrench has that, which is pretty dope. I'm gonna give you a better view over here. So yeah, my wrench has, my torque wrench has it over here in the settings. So I'm gonna set it to 30. These little grommets over here tell me the number. So I'm gonna put it to 30, tighten these up to 30 Newton meters. And then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up these sides so that way it's tight all around. So let's go do that. So one of the cool things about this wrench, it's not one of those fancy ones that kind of like beeps at me or tells me the number electronically. This is an affordable one, but check this out. When I hit 30 Newton meters, look what it does. There you go. That click means you hit the 30 Newton meters pressure, if I can put it that way. Anyways, so let's do the rest of them, and I'm going to show you just overall how efficient this wrench could be. Alright guys, well there you have it. The strut bar is installed. It's fairly an easy install to do. And this thing, yeah, it is not going anywhere. So all the bolts, all around, got tightened up to 30 Newton meters, which is, I mean, that's what these bolts, you know, are supposed to be at. So I thought to myself, well, maybe these on the sides should be also. So this thing is sturdy as heck. I mean, this clearance, oh my gosh, it's so close, but yet it looks so clean. So I think what I'm gonna do now, obviously I have to do it, right, is I'm gonna go for a red theme all around my car. So I'm gonna dress up these bolts red. I might get a red charge pipe. I mean, gosh, there's so much I wanna do to this car. So far, I'm pretty excited for this. I mean, look at that clearance. Looks great. Guys, if you wanna get yourselves one of these torque wrenches, go to the link in my bio, and that's where you can find it.